I was shooting film all my life, and finally I went to digital. And then Sony sent me this camera and said, take a look at it, tell me what you think. So I tested it compared to my older camera. It wasn't that old, it's camera. And the camera was phenomenal. It really was quite a bit superior to the digital camera that I had. So I said, I'm in. Going from film to digital is actually very seamless. I thought it was going to be a little bit more difficult than it was, but you know, it's a camera. You've got f-stops, shutter speed, and focus. It's the same darn thing. And it's all about light, it's all about composition. You're using a tool. I mean, it's just fortunate for me that Sony makes the best tool. The main thing that I love about it is the end result. I mean, the sensor is phenomenal. And now when you have lots of megapixels, you can shoot at high ISOs. It's like, what else do we want? Now Sony, keep on going with this. Don't stop now. But I think they're hitting it out of the park. I really do.